friends, welcome back to Aeshi Hastkala. Today in this video I am going to show you best out of waste, that is a key holder. So here it is. And friends, in my last video I explained you paper quilling flowers, and at that time I told you that I will use that paper quilling flower in my next video. So here it is, and here are the caps where you can place your keys. You can also use it as your jewelry holder. Here I use it, I placed my bracelets. You can also place your hairbands or your rubber bands, hair rubber bands like this. You can also place it over here. So you can use this in this many ways. And you can, friends, also put your pen over here in this part. You can place your pen here. So friends, today I am going to explain this, and I also made one more, and here it is. And today I am going to show you how to make this one. So friends, let's get started. So friends, for this project we are going to need a piece of cardboard. This is of square. You can use any size, but it should be in a square. Here I use a glitter foam sheet, a scale, pair of scissors, pencil, last is glue, and also we are going to need some pen caps like this, and also we are going to need some decorations like here. And these are the flowers which I showed you in my last video, that is how to make the basic shapes of paper quilling. And as always, I will also going to give you some tips and tricks which may make this project more interesting. So friends, now we will start, and for that we are going to need first our piece of cardboard and our glitter foam sheet. And we have to trace our cardboard like this. Here I traced it, and it is the similar size of my cardboard. Okay, and now what you have to do is we have to just cut it. So friends, here I traced my cardboard size on my foam sheet, and my size of the cardboard is 15 by 15 centimeter. And now what you have to do is we have to just attach it. Okay, so here I'm just peeling off this, and then we have to just attach it. So I will meet you after I attach my foam sheet to the cardboard. So friends, here I sticked it, and my foam sheet was that it has glue. If you don't have this foam sheet, so you can even use glue to attach it. And next we are going to need our caps. Okay, so now let's take our cap and attach it to our cardboard. So friends, here we have our cap, and now what you have to do is we have to just bend this part of our cap like this, and here you have like this, and you can place your keys in this place. So now what you have to do is we have to attach this over here. So now I'm using glue gun. If you are not having glue gun, so you can use your normal glue also. So here I place a dot of glue gun like this, and now we have to just place our pen of cap by placing it this way, and now we have to just place it. Okay, and now in this way we have to place all our caps, and I am using 3 caps to place it in 3 sides, 1, 2 and 3. So friends, here I placed all my pen caps, and now we have to just decorate it. Okay, so I'm using my paper quilling flower, and I'm just gonna attach it over here by using my glue gun. As I told you, if you are not having glue gun, so you can even use normal glues. And now I just attach it in this way. So friends, here we have done our key holder, and yeah, I will also decorate it little more by using this materials. So friends, in the end we have to just make some strips for this part of our cardboard. Okay, so we have to cut it from our this foam sheet, and what we have to do is we have to just cut a thick layer of our foam sheet, a thick strip of our foam sheet, and we have to just attach it. I will show you how to cut it, the thick strip, by marking it. So friends, here I mark a thick strip on my foam sheet, and now we have to just cut it. So friends, here I cut the thick strip of foam sheet by using my pair of scissors, and now I will show you how to stick it to our key holder. So now let's take it here. If the strip is too thick, just attach it from this part only. Okay, just attach it from this part only. So if it is excess, so you can cut it by using the scissor. So in this way we have to just attach it like this. Okay friends, so I will meet you at the end when I attach all my sides of this key holder. So friends, here I attach my foam sheet all over this, and I also cut the excess part. Okay, and now we have to decorate it a little more so it will look very attractive. So friends, here I decorate my full key holder, and in the end we have to just hang a key at this back part of our key holder at this point. So here I am using glue gun, just placing a ball of glue, and now what we are gonna do is just placing this key over here. So this will help us to hook our key holder. In this way we have to just make it. So it's done. So friends, here we have made our key holder, and normally this key holder needs half an hour to make, but today in this video I showed you how to make this key holder in just 10 minutes. And if you are having this key holder all the materials, so you can even make it in just 5 to 7 minutes. So friends, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, so please give a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section box given down below how you like this video. And friends, thanks for watching.